Hi everyone, I'm Smileypeacefun, and this is again a very special Follow Me Around. As you may know, I've been to Vienna before and I made a video about it. I went there because I was part of the TDT team where we all built several awesome domino projects there. And yeah, I'm going to Vienna again, going to the TDT team, and then we will build a ton of huge and very cool domino projects. And yeah, I'm so excited to go there to see everyone again. Building dominoes is a thing that connects people all over the world. So let's go to the airport. So guys, for those of you who saw my last trip where I went to Turkey to build up an amazing domino set, they know that I get to know Havish5, and I got a shirt of her from her merch store and I wanna try to surprise her, so I tried to film the reaction of her for the first time seeing that I'm wearing her shirt, and yeah, just casually waiting on the floor, and yeah.
I saw her standing in the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto the phone.
Surprise! Did you know I have one?
I didn't actually. I had no idea.
And I wished I'd had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her to look into my eyes and never let it go.
Good morning! It's the second day. Yesterday we arrived, we already went to the hall we're building dominoes at, and we already filmed the first video. This year's gonna be a little bit different than the last TDT I went to. Last TDT we did a big live event. This year we're gonna do several smaller projects and we're just filming it for the TDT YouTube channels. And yeah, also we checked in our hostel yesterday and now we're walking to the hall for the second building day, and yeah, hope you will have fun following me around. Good morning! It's day 3 and I went shopping and I got some clothes from New Yorker and H&M, and the most important, I got some hair dye and it's this one. And now let's go to the hall, finish the projects we started yesterday, and yeah, the weather is so nice, we should start like a Dominos go outside project, but yeah.
If I were in his place, I know I would have kissed her slow.
You can see a white lily floating. Good morning guys, it's day 4 and we're walking to the hall as always. Today we're gonna have a very cool challenge like involving all the builders. Looking forward, hopefully we'll not have too many takes. And yeah, have a nice day.
I saw her standing in the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto her phone. And I wished I'd had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her to look into my eyes and never let it go.
Good morning guys, it's the next day and we're walking to the hall as always. Today was a very busy morning because I had some work to do for university, but you need to do what you have to do, and we're going to the hall to build on some cool zodiac signs. And yeah, things are going great, we're very productive, we built a lot, and yeah, looking forward for today.
About to open her a door, I saw the guy that she was waiting for. He had no flowers in his hands and no time to say hello. If I were in his place, I know I would have kissed her slow.
Good morning guys, it's day 6 and I'm heading over to the hall. It's raining today, but yeah, that's the perfect weather to be inside building up Dominos. We're building a very cool project like involving the Mario game series, and yesterday we finished a huge Zodiac screen link. Well, let's go to the hall and then see what today will be like. Walking with Lonely. Hello, hello, it's day
7!
And it's the last day of building up Dominos. Yeah, I'm pretty sad because tomorrow we already go home.
I went by fast.
Went by pretty fast, we did a lot of projects. And today we're gonna hopefully finish the Mario project and yeah, hopefully have fun watching us building on the last day.
As I was about to open her a door, I saw the guy that she was waiting for. He had no flowers in his hands and no time to say hello. If I were in his place, I know I would have kissed her slow. We are free to
Good morning, it's the very last day, and we're waiting for our train, which will bring us to the airport of Vienna, and yeah, then we will fly home. It was a lot of Dominos, it was a little bit stressful, but it was so much fun, and yeah, I will of course miss all the amazing builders, so thanks to Austrian Domino Art, especially for hosting the TDT as always, and yeah, hopefully see all of them at the next Domino project. Yeah, now let's go home.